Welcome to our quick and easy recipe of masala dosa stuffing. Serves 4 to 5 people. 4 tablespoon oil, half tablespoon black mustard seeds, half tablespoon cumin seeds, 6 to 8 curry leaves, 4 peeled garlic, 1 green chili, half tablespoon red chili powder, half tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon garam masala, 2 tablespoon or pickle masala, salt to taste, coriander leaves, crushed garlic and chili, 2 chopped onions, 2 chopped tomatoes, 3 boiled potatoes. Once oil is hot, put all mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves, and crushed garlic and chili, and all spices in oil. Put chopped onions and tomatoes in oil. Simmer for 10 minutes. Add boiled potatoes and mix it well for 1 minute and it is ready. Add coriander for flavor. Masala dosa stuffing is ready. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.